Why Bhojpuri sounds emotional? If you ever come across a person speaking Bhojpuri, then you will notice that it takes longer time to say something. Well, that's the characteristics of the language. But if you notice the way Bhojpuri is spoken, you will find an inch of sadness in it. It's just natural. If you want to know the language, then you have to see its folk songs which capture true essence of the language. And when it's come to Bhojpuri, it's just depressing. Most of the folk songs of Bhojpuri revolve around the theme of separation. Separation from the loved one, separation from the land, and separation from the soul. Centuries of migration to find a better future. The words spoken in the language are still waiting for reply.
गर्मी बेसर में ना बेनिया डोलावे माने डारे सैया घर